You guys ready for more? Yeah! All right. You hungry? Yeah! Ready for some fighting words? Yeah! All right, because I'm pissed off. I'm pissed off about all the excuses people have as to why they don't get out of the building, why they don't do customer development, why they stop doing usability testing, right? It irritates the hell out of me. I don't want to talk about what those things are or how to do it. When we do it, we know that what people say and what they do are different. The same thing goes for the excuses that entrepreneurs give not to do it, and it's not good enough. So let's start with a few, right? Here's one. Customers don't know what they want, right? So we shouldn't talk to them. We're brilliant. We can't ask them for things. But customers, of course, know whether they have a problem. Customers know whether your solution actually sucks. So when someone says, I'm not going to talk to them because they don't know what they want, that's basically, I'm afraid of being wrong, right? My idea is too sacrosanct, right? It's too holy, or they're massively overconfident. Is that good enough? No, it's not good enough, right? How about another one? There's no point until we have more features. You heard this one before? I certainly hear it all the time, right? Of course, we're going to get a negative reaction because our product sucks, so why should we even bother? What that is a lack of imagination about what testing really means, what validation really means. Again, I'm afraid of being wrong. I'm terrified of a false negative. Is that good enough? No, hell no. Come on. All right, what's another one? Give me another one. I am the customer, right? Okay, I'm glad you're working on something that you're deeply passionate about. What I'm not glad about is that you've now got a market size of 1. That ain't good enough, right? That's terrible. And so when someone says this, they're either saying, I'm the next Steve Jobs, and good luck with that. That's all I could say, right? Or, I'm afraid of being wrong. My idea is so brilliant, I'm terrified that maybe it's not brilliant. Is that good enough? No. Hell no. All right. So here's something you hear a little bit more from engineers, but conversations are meaningless, right? Talk, right? Metrics are the truth. Well, metrics help you measure progress. Metrics will show you a problem. Metrics don't give you a solution, and they don't tell you why something is happening. When someone's saying this, they're just saying, I'm afraid of talking to real people, to which I say, man up and get out there and talk to your customers, right? Not good enough. All right, here's another one that I absolutely hate hearing. I showed it to VCs, UX gurus, and the VC's dog. Which is awesome if your customer is a VC, right? Or if your customer is a UX person. Otherwise, it's pretty dumb. It's basically saying, I'm going to put my head in the sand with celebrities, right? No, that isn't good enough. I mean, yes, talk to these folks. VCs are awesome to talk to. You get lots of insights, but they are not the customer. Don't let them be a stand-in for your market. All right, how about some later stage ones, right? Companies doing well, and they did all this customer development, and so often they stop doing it. They stop doing the kind of usability stuff that Meetup does, right? Every single week. And I think that's ridiculous. Anyone who's studied the technology adoption curve knows that your beginning customer is not the same as your middle customer and the later customer, right? So this is just pretending that you know what's going on, but we never know what's going on. Not an innovation, right? The markets change, competition changes, everything changes. Here's another later stage problem where people all of a sudden punt to the sales force. Now, the sales force is very good at solving tactical problems, right? They're there to charge to the wall to close that next deal. What they're not going to be doing is looking into deep, longer-term innovation problems. So when a CEO or a product manager punts on this, it pisses me off. It's basically them saying, I'm tired of arguing with the sales force about our priorities anymore, and I'm going to sacrifice the deeper meaning for later. And then my all-time least favorite, I'm too busy, right? We're all too busy. We've all got far too much stuff to do, not enough time to do it. But guess what? We make time for the stuff we think is important. And so when someone's saying that, they're saying, I don't understand it, I don't care about it, right? That's not good enough. So my expression is, startup entrepreneurs and startup friends don't let their startup friends not do customer development, right? So your task is to go out there and bust the balls, excuse the term, but bust the balls of any entrepreneur you know who's not goddamn doing this, right? And you don't need to do it every second of every day. The phrase in Lean Startup is build, measure, learn. It's not talk, right? So there's a process, but you need to build this into the DNA of your organization and don't let any excuses get in the way. Thank you so much.